faces several common challenges that organizations and professionals must address to ensure efficiency, productivity, and high-quality output. Some of the most prevalent challenges in the machining industry include precision and accuracy. Machining requires precise measurements and tight tolerances. Achieving consistent accuracy can be challenging, particularly when dealing with complex geometries or materials that are difficult to machine. Cost optimization. Controlling manufacturing costs is a significant challenge in the machining industry. Factors such as material costs, tooling expenses, energy consumption, and labor costs need to be carefully managed to ensure profitability. Rapid technological advancements. The machining industry is constantly evolving, with new technologies and tools emerging regularly. Keeping up with these advancements and implementing them effectively can be a challenge, especially for smaller organizations with limited resources. Skilled workforce shortage. There is a shortage of skilled machinists and operators in many regions, leading to a significant talent gap. Training and developing a skilled workforce to operate and maintain sophisticated machining equipment can be a challenge for organizations. Quality control. Maintaining consistent quality in machining processes is vital to meet customer expectations. Implementing effective quality control measures, ensuring proper inspection, and minimizing defects can be challenging, especially with intricate parts and high-volume production. Environmental sustainability. The machining industry faces increasing pressure to adopt sustainable practices and minimize its environmental impact. Reducing waste, energy consumption, and optimizing coolant usage are some of the sustainability challenges that need to be addressed. Complex materials. With the advent of advanced materials such as composites, superalloys, and hardened steels, machining these materials poses unique challenges. They often require specialized tooling, cutting parameters, and expertise to ensure optimal results without compromising tool life or component integrity. Supply chain management. Coordinating and managing the supply chain for machining operations can be complex, especially when dealing with multiple suppliers, varying lead times, and ensuring timely availability of raw materials, tooling, and other resources. Automation and integration. Integrating automation systems, such as CNC machines, robotics, and data-driven manufacturing, can be a challenge for organizations seeking to streamline their processes. Ensuring smooth integration and maximizing the benefits of automation requires careful planning and expertise. Continuous improvement. Fostering a culture of continuous improvement is crucial in the machining industry. Identifying opportunities for optimization, implementing lean manufacturing principles, and encouraging innovation pose ongoing challenges that require organizational commitment. Addressing these challenges requires a combination of technical expertise, effective management strategies, and a willingness to adapt to changing industry dynamics. By proactively tackling these obstacles, organizations can position themselves for success in the competitive machining industry.